Today I am going to show you my first package from Mrs. Quilt. The reason I subscribe to Mrs. Quilt is because I want to learn how to make some quilt or a quilt, like a big sheet with all of the fabrics that I have leftovers. I didn't throw them away, but I wanted to make something, but I want to make something pretty. I just don't want to put fabrics together and do something like that. Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Sophia Sews and Play. I'm Sophia. If you are new to the channel, welcome and thank you for tuning in. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching this video. In this video today, I am going to show you my first package from Mrs. Quilt. The reason I subscribe to Mrs. Quilt is because I want to learn how to make some quilt or a quilt, like a big sheet with all of the fabrics that I have leftovers. I didn't throw them away, but I wanted to make something, but I want to make something pretty. I just don't want to put fabrics together and do something like that, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I kind of want to learn to do quilt. I think quilt is so pretty. That's not going to be my number one thing because I love to sew my vintages, but I want to do more than just sew outfits. So let me show you. We are going to unbox my Mrs. Quilt, and I'm also going to show you what I made with my Mrs. Quilt, my first box. So without further ado, I'm going to have to hold it up like this, or I'll show you once I open, because I just got it today and I was doing so much today, so I waited till now to open it, and then later on I will be cutting and sewing, and then I will make my project and then show you everything. So let's go for it. So right here, let's hit right down here. Look at the scissors right there. Sorry for giving me your back, for giving you my back. And there. There it is. Can you see it? Can you see it? There's my first box for Mrs. Quilt. Quilting. Okay, so I'll put it down here that way. So this is the, I guess the, what is this? I forgot everything that came with it. Yes. See that? When life gives you scraps, make a quilt. And that's exactly what I want to do. So this right here, I suppose, is going to be the instructions on making my first block, I guess. Here's my first block. How exciting that it's blue, because my my living room couch is true blue, and so I'll have fun making this. So this got 12 fat quarters. All right. Oh, what else is in here? And so this, I already have some of these. These right here, it's thread holders. Like when you let me show you how. I will show you how. If I could get a thread. Yes, I have one right here. I don't need this color anymore. So this thread, I have a video of this that I bought some of these at Temu's. So it goes like this. So you just put it like that to stop the thread from hanging. You know how sometimes it just comes out of its little loop right here? at that little square right there, well, you put it around here and it stops it from um, running. So I have some that I got from Timo. Let me show you. And I also want to see if the brand is different. So let's see. So I have this one, little green one right here. This is mine that I bought from Temu. I got like a dozens of these from Temu, and it's very different. This from Temu has this little thing right here. If you can see it, you see this little line right here poking out, and it feels softer. Whereby this one is smaller, and it feels a little more sturdy. It's not as soft as this one. So let's see how will it do. It's probably more like for little for well, yeah, here it is. It does good. It did very good. Right there. So that's what I got with my Mrs. Quilt. I got 3 of them with this little nice bag to put all my little I guess I don't know what I'm putting here, but it's a cute bag. And then the ruler, of course, to help me cut my fat quarters to convert them into this whatever quilt that I will be making. And I'm hoping that I can make this like in one day. That way I can show you later, like now. So this is it. I'll be showing you. And that's what came in my Mrs. Quilt box, first box. Quilting makes hearts happy. And it's a cute little box. So my first project, I believe I will put it right in here when I am done with the project. And I'm not sure what project I will be making. Let's see what it's going to be. Okay, I have everything that I need right here. So we will be working on this. So that's what I wanted to show you. And I also wanted to show you this dress that I made. I made it last week, but I didn't finish it because I had to add the buttons because it's buttoned down. And this is the pattern that I made, 6672 from Butterick. It's really cute. I like this. I am going to be making this, but not as yet. Close to when the tea party time, because this dress is going to be one of my picks. I'm not sure because I will be making more, but so far it looks nice for my tea parties, hopefully. I think our tea party is always on May, so I already have some of these gloves. I just couldn't find it, so I couldn't model it for you, but I did wear it and show you. I have a short out there, but I am going to show you in this video how it looks. And I love this dress. It's made, the colors are not actually white. This color is like an off-white, and so I got the hanky to be off-white also, because when I added the white to it, it just threw it off. So I had to find like a half white to add for the pockets. And then here's the little throw on. I like to call it the throw on belt because I really don't like wearing belts this slim. But that's what it asks for. And I didn't add any pockets. It didn't ask for a pocket. But I like to add pockets to these dresses like this. But neither way, it looks really nice. I love this dress. And I believe I'm going to make it again. And I want to kind of see if I can make it in pink. But I didn't have the pink in polka dots. I don't have enough. So I will be buying some pink and white to make this again for spring. Hopefully I could get the fabric, but I don't want to buy any more fabric, so I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I probably do have some pink and white polka dots. I just have to find it. So that is my project for this, my first year video. And so I thank you so much for watching my video. And I will be trying to show you step by step how I go about this project, my first quilting project. If this is like a 1 day thing, I will do it. I will show step by step what I've done. Not all the way, but most of everything that I do, I will be showing you, because I also want to go back to my videos and see what I've done, because this same project that I'm going to be practicing and learning off of, I will be making um I want to try to make a sheet with all of the leftovers fabrics that I have, but I do want to make it cute. So at the end of the year, hopefully, or maybe 6 months, hopefully, I want to have a sheet made out of all the fabrics, leftover fabrics that I have. So that is one of my projects for the year. I'm not sure, because I am not going to stop sewing my outfits. I already donated all except for my walkaway dresses to some I donated it. I donated all those makes from 2 years ago, because I wanted to start afresh with outfits and other things. I just don't want to sew clothes. I want to I like to do art, so I want to practice on stuff like, I like to do different things. I like to sew different things. And when I sew clothes, I like to sew vintage, because I like how vintage looks on me. But I will do other things. So TMI, right? So thank you so much again for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and let me know what you think. And I will also be continuing playing with my vintages. As a matter of fact, this year also I want to go ahead and paint my treadle, and then I have to do over my little um I forgot. Oh, my singer that I have pimped it out with lace and pearls. I'm going to change the pearls probably. I don't think I'm going to change the lace, but all that is coming in. I'm going to be sewing most of my quilting. I will be sewing it on my singers. I don't want to use my Project Runway, because that's like when I'm in a hurry. I just go ahead and sew my dresses, and for when I do other projects, then I like to use my singers. So once again, thanks, and thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 1,000 before the year ends. I am not going to say in 2-3 months, but I want to be able to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. We can do it, and I thank you for supporting me in my YouTube world. The button in the making. Hi friends, here is my polka dot dress. It is the Butterick 6672, and it's the historic dress, the historic polka dot dress. And mine's is, the polka dots are off-white with black, and the little hanky is also off-white. I made the pockets, one pocket, and it also has this little belt right here. I wanted to put pockets in it, and I ran out of fabric. It didn't call for pockets, but I wanted to add one, but I ran out of fabric. So here it is. I love this dress. It is really cute, very versatile. I believe you could wear it anywhere. But this is the most that I like about this dress is that I can wear this dress to a tea party. So this is going to be one of my picks. So I'll be sewing some more and see which one will take the stand. But for now, this is the one. I get me the gloves like she has it right here. And then I will go ahead and make the stuff for the head, which is this right here. I forgot what it's called. So this is the dress, my dear friends. And I just want to say thank you so much for visiting my channel and supporting me to 3 years. Well, I'm going on 3 years in April. So I just want to thank you all of my subscribers. Thank you all of my viewers. And I do appreciate you. Happy New Year one more time. And let the peace of God rule in your heart, to the which also we are all called in one body. And be ye thankful. And that's coming from Colossians 3:15. That's my favorite scriptures.